What is the status of Madhai as on today?
So जेन्ना आमी मंत्री जाले अंडर द लिडरशिप ऑफ डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत, डॉक्टरा कडेन डिस्कस केले, डॉक्टर कितें इतली डिले? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नीड टू आस्क द कंडोनेशन ऑफ डिले in the court. What are the remedy other than the court? What action Goa government can take in that territory for illegal diversion?
सध्या स्टेट बीजेपी, सेंटर बीजेपी, दोगूय जाण भाव भितर झगडी चालू आसा काय फ्रेंडशिप चालू आसा कळना आमकां. तातूंत कर्नाटकाय बीजेपी.
Exactly. After having 112 hearings, Madhai Water Dispute Tribunal has given an award. Before that award, we have filed an interlocutory application before the tribunal saying that Karnataka is going on with the illegal activities or diversion, for which the tribunal has passed an interim order restraining the Karnataka government to seal that water, for which a team of honorable legislators went to there to see. So this is loud and clear on the record. All the illegalities done by Karnataka has been brought to the notice of the Honorable Supreme Court, for which they have taken cognizance, for which the hearing has been initiated.
सॅलिनिटीचो सध्याचो रिपोर्ट कितें तुम्ही सबमिट?
सर परतूय हांव तेच सांगता, सॅलिनिटी रिपोर्ट जो आसा आमी स्पेशली जेन्ना जलशक्ती मंत्रालयाक रिक्वेस्ट केली तेन्ना नॅशनल हायड्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट तांच्यांनी रिक्वेस्ट केले उपरांत 3 फावटी सॅलिनिटी रिपोर्ट काडलो, वेगवेगळ्या म्हयन्यांनी काडलो आनी ताजो रिपोर्ट जो आसा हो ऑलरेडी तांच्यांनी जलशक्ती मंत्रालयान आतां सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या सुमार दवरलेलो आसा.
Supreme Court.
If you are doing nothing.
It is in the Supreme Court.
Sir, my
I cannot
charge
give the dates.
he is doing nothing to get the court
आरोप करता.
fix झाले.
सर
in the Supreme
Fix
Court.
झालं
sir.
fix. तू ना आता fixing
आरोप
If
करता.
he
सारखे